Hey, anybody out there's got hay fever? Yeah, I sympathise with you. Yeah, I feel like I want to vomit my lungs inside out. And even when I attempt to do that, they sort of fail to do so and, you know, reset full of shit and Christ knows what. Morning, Snoops. See, Snoops has come and say hello. Yeah, don't smell yellow roses. They'll bung up your nose and give you a cold for about fucking 2 weeks. Make you feel like shit. If any of them kiddywinkles that try to fucking go through school like this, fuck that. Tell your teacher to put some shit in a book and you do it at home. Because this kind of shit, you can't be fucking do. You can't concentrate on fuck all. You got snot running out of your face. You're gonna fucking vomit in front of everyone. Like, not great, is it? Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll moan at you later.